welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. After San Miguel losing once in Game 1 against Alaska, the score is 100-91 in favor of Alaska Aces. Aces now 1-0 lead in the finals of the Best of 7 series of the PBA Philippine Cup. Disappointment lost again in the last 4 minutes to play as Alaska moves into the run, which means San Miguel have getting more problems, bigger once again. Without Junmar Fajardo, nako, mukhang hindi niya kinaya kahit si Yancy De Ocampo or si J.R. Reyes pa man. Hindi nila kinaya dahil sa kulang sa discipline in defensive position. Arvin Santos gets a blitzkrieg on the shot, but nothing enough for Beerman to win this game. Kapag naman si Lassiter ay parehas silang magagaling na player itong game number 1. Perfect performance sila, kaya lang nabigo sa huli. Wala silang nagawa kundi nakulangan sa turnover position nila sa game na ito. Kaya dumoble ang turnovers nitong San Miguel Beerman. Kaya natalo sila. Wala disappointment game earlier on. Sa ibang players tulad si Tubid at saka Espinas ay parang medyo embarrassing motion play dahil hindi malalampasan itong scoring sheet nitong si Espinas at si Tubid. Kaya hindi kung nagustuhan nitong share sa Beerman fans. Kaya no show muna sa San Miguel Beerman itong game number 1. So, I think ang best sa akin will be Lassiter and Espinas because he step up on absolute good performance on defense, the shot, and the tackle on the pass. So, yun ang tamang gagawin itong dalawa na ito para sa game number 2 sa darating na Martes. Anyway, let us tell us comment section below, and we will tackle something very soon. In the meantime, like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. Follow us on Twitter at thebeermanfantv. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on the YouTube channel at the Beerman Fan TV. And don't forget, follow us some posts only here on Instagram by following the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Adra, and we'll see you in the next video. Shala. Bye.